Sometimes you have a small data set, but you still would like to use, let's say, for instance, a deep learning to predict, to work on your data here. And the solution here is data augmentation is your magic, let's see, tool. So why we need to use it? Because deep learning models crave data, but collecting and labeling is expensive. So this slide is just showing you some of the, for instance, you can see here, we can use it for the image. You can, if you have a small data set, you can rotate the images, flipping, cropping, and scaling. So in this case, you will have a big data set. For the text, you can synonym, replacement, back translation. For the audio, you can space change, pitch shift, noise injection. And here we have, for instance, a sample of image. So you have, for instance, this image here. If you see here, you can see horizontal, vertical, rotation, and cropping, grayscale, dark. And this you can see here from this image here, we have 10 images in this example. And this is, for instance, the benefit of data augmentation is reducing overfitting, because you will collect much, or let's say a large data set, and also improve generalization. So instead of focusing on, for instance, in such image like this, the model will try to generalize on these all the images here and create a robust model. Let's say it is a compensation for the limited data. It's because if you have a small data set, this will solve your issue here. And the data augmentation is increased data size by creating modified copies of existing data, significantly improving model performance without, let's see, the fact that collecting a new sample. Sometimes you will not be able, let's say, to get new samples, or maybe it's hard to get new samples. So this is the solution. How to, they will ask you, for instance, what is the data augmentation? Yeah, I think that's it for today, and thanks for watching.